Hello guys, I hope you are having a great day. Guys, the reason I am making this video is for teaching you guys how to make a leverage trade and how to do it easily. You cannot make money in this market if you cannot do trade without leverage. You heard me right? You know, whenever you look at the chart or anything, what you need to know is the behavior of particular pair, currency, stock, you know and you need to uh, take your entries with the very key levels. And there is one more important thing, is the patience. If you are patient enough, then you can make money in this market very easily. And I do not suggest to any beginner to start trading with the leverage. Why? Just let me show you. You know, if you are new in this market and you take sell signal, like example, you don't have this indicator, okay? Then you are predicting, oh, it touches, like some kind of key level, like $9,000. Now it will drop to, you know, 8,600 or 8,500, because you saw someone posted message in the Telegram group or free group or premium group. Okay, no one can speculate where the price is going to go tomorrow, in the morning, at night. No one can tell the exact price that it will hit. You know. So what I mean is, if you want to trade, then trade without leverage. At first, when you enter in the market, open any account in your exchange, then don't make margin account or margin trade to get rich quick. In this market, no one can get rich quick overnight. You need patience, ton of patience, ton of patience to make money in this market. And with this tool, you can do it. Just let me show you. Last night I took this buy signal and made a good profit, 10 to 12%. Last night it was a late night, like 2 o'clock here, and I took my 10% and then I slept. Okay, I don't care if it goes, like a 10k, 20k. I don't care, because I took my profit already. But whenever I will see buy signal, one more buy signal here, I will take entry, because this trend line is showing the positivity in the market. Positive trend line, money is flowing in the market, ribbon is green. I'm taking this buy signal again and again and again. I'm not taking this sell signal if these are the positive green all over in my chart. So I'm not taking these sell signals at all. So if this ribbon is red, this trend is red, money is leaving the market, RSI is mostly red, I will take this sell signal. I will not take buy signal over here. I will not take it. I don't care how much higher it goes, until trend line changes or money flow turns positive. I will not trade this zone. I will take this sell signal, take profit and exit, and wait till odds are in my favor. There are thousands of pairs of currencies, stocks for forex or whatever. There are thousands of pairs that you can choose. Look at these green positive um, things all over in the chart, and then take this buy signal. Keep taking buy signals. Again, in this trend from past week, from May 12th, I think, yeah, from past 3 to 4 days, I took these signals like 3 or 4 times, and I'm profitable. I never had loss because I'm stick to my rule. Okay, I'm not trying to outsmart trading armor. Whenever I outsmart trading armor, I have lost my money. So I take these buy signals again and again and again, and I'm making profit. And whenever it shows one more buy signal, I will take it. So before I made huge losses in the leverage trade before, because I just wanted to get rich quick, and I didn't knew that I should uh, trade without leverage. I should learn the basics of trading to make money with the leverage trade. So if you want to make money, then trade without leverage. Like if you want to trade crypto, make a account in Binance, and you will get access to thousands of coins, and then you can trade. Look, this is the Litecoin chart. What do you think is a good uh, buying opportunity? It's here. Buying opportunity with divergence. Green, green, green. This is a buying opportunity. Sell signal, you are out. Look, it's like a 10 to 12% move. Okay, for a couple of hours. You make money, you exited your trade, buy here, sell here, again 5 to 8% move. Buy here, sell here, 5% move. Buy here, sell here. Look, it's almost 10 to 12% move. Okay, just you cannot make uh, you know this trade downwards without leverage. So no problem. You take buy signals because there are thousands of coins like a ZRX coin. You type ZRX versus BTC. Not ZRX. It's a OX. Sorry, OX BTC. I don't know the symbol. Let's browse cryptocurrencies over here. It's okay. I use Neo versus Tether. Whenever it's showing a buy signal, you buy here, sell here. Okay, just get out from this market if you took profit already. Buy here, sell here, and then buy it here again, sell it here, exit your trade here, buy it again here, and exit here. Okay, it's very easy without leverage. You don't have any risk for losing money. There is no chance to make loss in this market when you are not using leverage. No chance. Absolutely no, sir. So it's so that was it for my advice to beginners in this market. Okay, guys. See you next time.